Welcome to New Fire Media. I want to teach you something very interesting today. So we have a lot of paid church presentation software, etc., and then the way the scripture is displayed, like in all these pro churches, you kind of want to achieve that, but on a very low budget, or even if you actually have no budget, right? So I'm going to teach you free tools to actually get scripture into OBS, kind of like this. Okay, so you have kind of like this. Let's say this is your camera source or your multicam view source, whatever source this is, and then this is actually the scripture source. We are not talking about beautifying the thing, we are talking about functionality today. We are just talking about functionality. So I'm going to teach you how to do this, okay, in OBS. OBS is a free software, it's open source. FreeShow is a free software, it's also open source, but the only thing that's paid is just going to be Canva. But you can do this on the free version of Canva, right? We just design a layer, a logo, blah blah blah, all those kind of things. I just want to teach you how to actually get this done. You want to get scripture into OBS and then kind of have this particular profile for free. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is the FreeShow software. I'll put a link in the description for Ubuntu users, Mac users, Windows users, whichever operating system you use. There'll be a link for you, so check the description. So what we want to do, very simple. This one, I'm not going to go through the overlays, the audio, the media, the shows, the calendar. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to focus on the scripture. So what I want to do is to get this particular output into OBS, right? Good. So now, if you go to the settings, click on the settings at the top right, and then go to output, you realize that, when you go to connection, you realize that the remote show is on port 5510, and then the stage show is on the port 5511. What we are really interested in is the stage show, right? So we are going back to show, and then we are going to try and visit the channel. So local host 5511. Let's see what's there. This is there, right? So First Samuel 1:1. What do we have displayed here? First Samuel. What is it? Now there was a man named Elkanah. No, there was a man named Elkanah. Let's just project maybe 2 Kings 10:2, right? 2 Kings 10:2 sharp. We see 2 Kings 10:2 there, right? So this is what we want to get into OBS, right? Now this particular tutorial, we are showing you how to do it on the same PC. Okay, so whenever you're in OBS, you are on the OBS screen. Anytime they mention a scripture, you switch to that scene and then come back here and then just project it, and then it's going to go, right? So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, I'm going to add a new scene, and I'm going to call it scripture, right? Scripture. Then I just hit OK. Okay. So normally I'll get my video source. So whichever video source I'm actually using. So for example, my video capture device. Let's just say I'm adding a new video capture device. I just want to add my iPhone camera. For now I'm not in the church or something, so I've just added my iPhone camera. So I'm just hitting OK. That's my video source. Then I'm going to add another thing. I'm going to add a browser. Okay, so when I add a browser, now the link of this particular browser is going to be, so let's say so the URL of this browser, I'm going to go and copy the localhost 5511 here. So I'm going to do Command V here. So that'll be my browser settings for this one. So you see already you have this one. So I'm going to right click and then go to transform and then do fit screen, right? And then fit to screen. So what I'm going to do here, you can pick this one and do this anytime, and you can also pick the video source and then just shrink it down anytime, right? Now let's do a very simple design in Canva, and then kind of put it under like a background style thing. So let's go to Canva. For example, I already have something here. So into the wilderness 2026, there's a logo up here, and then there's this background, there's this box, and there's another box. So let me just export this. This is Canva. I'm sure all of us know Canva by now. So let me just beam it up as high as I can, and then just download the one on this current page, right? So this particular one, then I just hit download, and then it's downloading. Boom, I have it inside here. So it's called Strings and Tongues Part 2. So I can go into my OBS and then add a new image source. You can do image, right? And then click on OK, and then browse to where the images obviously are downloads. We are looking for Strings and Tongues, SS7. So this is what we are looking for. So I import this guy into here, and then I click OK. I come here, I just do right click, and then I do transform, and then I do fit to screen, right? So it's here. Now I'm supposed to bring this guy, which is the browser, over to this side for it to fit. Okay, it's supposed to fit here, and then this video source, I'm going to shrink it down such that it fits the smaller box here. Okay, so I think I'm going to hold down Option. Sorry. No. So I'm going to do you let me just do any caricature thing. We can talk about beauty later. Let me just put anything here, right? Let's just say, and then so we have our browser here, and then we have our this one here, and then since the image should actually be under, so the image should actually be under, so the image is under now. You see our video sources here, and then our scripture is here. But let us shrink our scripture a bit, and then put our scripture here. And then I'm not talking about beauty, I'm just talking about functionality today. So now we just switch it here. So anytime maybe the pastor says Genesis 1:1, put Genesis 1 verse 1, immediately see Genesis 1:1 here. That's exactly what we are looking for. So we've successfully been able to load scripture from FreeShow into OBS. This was a very, very short tutorial. If you have any question about this, leave a comment. Leave your comments below, like ask questions about how to get this particular scripture. There is also a way to actually get this same FreeShow, which is on another computer, into OBS on another computer. I'll do that tutorial later, but this one is on the same computer, right? So we just added a scripture scene, I added a browser, I added a video source, I added an image, and then I'm just displaying this how those out there, I mean the big men of God and stuff, their media team actually do it. They use Easy Worship, but Easy Worship is a paid version, and then a lot of people have actually cracked it, but I don't advise you to actually crack it. If you don't have the money to buy, just use the software that's also equally good, which I'm showing you right now. This is totally free. It's actually open source. You can actually add your own code, etc., etc. So the tutorial has actually come to an end. All we care about is getting scripture into OBS. We've been able to get scripture into OBS, and mind you, anytime you change anything, this thing is also going to change. So as you know, we've been able to achieve our vision for today, and that is all I wanted to teach you guys. More tutorials are coming. Subscribe to the channel, and then let me know what you want me to do a tutorial about. All about ChurchTech, and then all about how to do a lot of things for free as well. So let me know what you want me to talk to you about. Thanks. If you give this video a like, and then share with your friends if you think this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.